Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make a really simple chicken cream pasta. Nice cream sauce, any pasta you like, so get that cooked. We're going to concentrate on the sauce, mix it together, bit of cheese on the top, pop it in the oven, voila. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here then. Really simple. In the centre I've got chicken breasts, 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, cut quite small. 1 onion diced, 1 tomato diced, 250 ml of cream. You can use any cream, a single or a thick cream. This is a thick cooking cream, but any cream will work. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're going to start us off with some oil, add some salt and pepper. Let's get to the cooker, super easy. Okay, so here we are. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the olive oil, heating it up nicely. We're going to drop in our 1 onion. And our chicken. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes on a fairly lively heat, a high heat. Okay, 4 minutes in. The chicken's not cooked all the way, but it's certainly on its way. Now we're going to add that tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to get some salt in there, a bit of salt in the mix, some black pepper, give that a quick mix. Next up we're going to add our 1 tomato. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato if you can. In that goes. Also going to add that little bit of oregano or oregano. If you want, you could be using some kind of Italian mixed herb, basil, thyme, rosemary, tarragon. You know, you can go a different way with the herb. I'm just using oregano today. We're going to go now for about another 4 to 5 minutes, staying on this high heat. What we want is those tomatoes to cook down a little bit and give off some moisture. So as you can see, that tomato is completely broken down, made a little bit of a sauce, which is nice. Now if you want, you could be adding other stuff to this, like some bell peppers, zucchini, olives. You can fill it out how you like. What I'm going to do now is add our cream. Like I say, you can use a thick or a thin cream, a single cream or a double cream. This is a cooking cream, it's a thick cooking cream. I didn't show you this earlier, but I've got a tablespoon there of some Parmesan cheese. Let's go to a medium heat now. 4 minutes, keep this moving all the time. Okay, let's take a look at our pasta. So you need to cook whatever pasta you're going to use. I'm going to use this little shell type. This is the container that's going to go in the oven. I'm using glass, you can use metal or you can use ceramic, as long as it can go in an oven, oven proof. And what I like to do is, once you get your pasta, put it in here so you can measure it out nicely. So it's not full all the way, you know, just slightly under. So that'll be good for our sauce. Once it's all mixed, it's going to go back in there. Let's get back to the cooker. So this is perfectly done. Beautiful, nice little sauce. Off goes the heat. And then we're going to drop in our pasta that I just showed you. And it goes in there. Then we're going to give it a good mix in the pan. And then we're going to drop it back into our oven-proof dish. So there you go, all mixed in there. Now get your oven on full blast, maximum heat, because everything here is cooked already. All we're doing is bringing it together. What I've got here is a little bit of mozzarella cheese. You could be using whatever you want really, some cheddar cheese or, you know, whatever you've got hanging about. Mix a few cheese together if you like. So let's get that on there. I'm also going to add a bit of Parmesan to this and some oregano on the top. So that's that. Here's some grated Parmesan. Liking the look of that, that's good. A little bit of dried oregano. If you want a little bit of smoked paprika, chili powder, black pepper on the top, it's up to you. But that's going to go in my oven for about 12 minutes, I would imagine. Like I say, full blast, maximum heat. I'll see when it comes out. Okay, there you go, super easy. Out of the oven. It was like 10 minutes in my oven, not 12. Beautiful, just a little bit browning on the top there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do leave a comment, we like to hear from you. Keep safe, keep well, lots of love.